Put tangerine peels into an empty Matchbox. It may sound strange, but it works amazingly well. Tangerines are fruits whose peels usually end up in the trash, which is a shame because they're surprisingly useful. After peeling, let the peels dry at room temperature. Spread them out so they dry faster and keep their properties. After a few days, they will be completely dry. Then place them in a grinder. Add half a tablespoon of dried lavender, known for its calming scent and relaxing properties. Grind everything into a fine powder to make the aroma stronger and longer lasting. Transfer the mixture into an empty Matchbox. Place these boxes around your home. In the kitchen, keep them near the sink or in food cabinets where the scent of tangerine peel and lavender helps repel moths and other insects. In the living room, they gently freshen the air and create a pleasant atmosphere. In the bathroom, they provide a clean, fresh scent. You can also place them near shoes to neutralize unpleasant odors. You can use the mixture another way as well. Add a small amount of the powder to a bowl with 1 liter of warm water. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes. Tangerine peels refresh the skin, while lavender relaxes, soothes, and helps reduce fatigue, leaving a light and comfortable feeling. My grandmother used to sprinkle salt in front of the front door and only then place the doormat on top. It was a simple trick that saved her apartment every winter. Wet shoes, puddles by the door, and a doormat that simply cannot cope are everyday reality in many homes. A slippery hallway floor is not just a mess, but a real risk of slipping. This is a trick well known to cleaning experts, although few people talk about it. A regular doormat quickly soaks up water in winter. Its fibers are not designed to absorb large amounts of moisture from wet shoes. That is why you should first make sure the floor underneath is dry. Then sprinkle a thin layer of salt where the mat lies. You will notice the difference after the very first entry. Now place the doormat on top and press it down with your feet so it grips the floor well. The salt absorbs water from shoes, prevents the mat from sliding, and increases traction. When wiping your shoes, it acts as a natural barrier that stops snow and mud right at the door. The effect is immediate. The hallway floor stays dry, safe, and much cleaner, and winter cleaning takes far less time. It is a simple winter home trick that helps keep the hallway clean, prevents slippery floors by the door, reduces mud and water from shoes, and makes winter cleaning at home easier.